I'm going to watch this video and get paid $200. Because in this video I'm going to test this side hustle that claims that you can make $200 for every single YouTube video that you watch absolutely for free. Will this side hustle work or will it flop? Let's find out. What's up, digital monsters, and welcome back to the channel. In case you are new here, my name is Thomas and it's nice to meet you. In this video I'm going to uncover whether I can make money by watching YouTube videos for free. I'm going to share everything that I discover and why this method does or doesn't work. First we need to go to YouTube, so I'm just gonna click on YouTube right here. I mean, that's simple enough. And I'm going to type at the bottom of the ocean. And right here we have all kinds of videos about the bottom of the ocean. And now there are tons of videos right here talking about the bottom of the ocean, but I am going to use this one. Took a minute. So I'm just going to click on this and then pause it because it's making too much noise. Oh, I can just mute it. Okay, let the advertisements play. Come on, come on, come on. Another advertisement. Okay, so this is the video and it's talking about what scientists really saw at the Mariana Trench. So it's of course a really interesting video. But how are we going to make money with this? In the method that I found, he showed me that I should download the video thumbnail. So I'm just going to YouTube thumbnail downloader and I'm going to type this in, and right here I can just basically do this link. So I'm going to copy it, paste it right here, and then get the thumbnail images, and right here I can now use them. This is a cool image, by the way. Like, that's really well done. Okay, but I want to watch some videos and make some money, and I'm not quite sure how we're going to do it. But for now, we need to create something. So I need to go to Canva and create a new design. And I need to use a Pinterest pin. So right here, Pinterest is wait, is this the right one? I don't know. I think this one. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this is the right one. So we need to create a Pinterest pin, and right here, this is where I'm going to do it. So I'm going to copy this image and paste it right here. That's a bit small. This is better. Okay, so let's do the background. So right now we have our Pinterest pin. We need to change some things. So I need to, no. So we need to add a circle. So this one, for example, and then right here, make it red. So right now it really pops out. And then we need to add some text. So make this a little bit bigger. And then this is basically it. So I'm going to save this for now. And now we get to see how we make money. And for this we need to go to cpagrip.com. And CPA Grip is basically a CPA, so cost per action platform. So it's essentially affiliate marketing, but a lot of the offers on CPA Grip, in my opinion, are not that good. So I'm going to log in my account. Okay, so the way that I'm looking at it right now is that we are going to try to make money by using affiliate marketing and not watching videos. But we are going to use those YouTube videos, so let's see how it works. We need to click on monetization tools, URL file lockers, and then we need to create a new one. So we just need to choose a template. So I'm going to choose this one, and then we need to change the text. Okay, so right here, like so, to watch the full video right here. So verify here to watch the full video. So this is also just so what I think is that we are going to use this to make the money when people click on something. And then right here at the lock URL, we need to go back to this video, copy the link of the YouTube video and paste this in right here and click on save. Okay, so now we just need to get our link. So let's just choose one. And now we need to go to Pinterest. So basically, for some reason, we are not going to watch the videos, but we can make money with this. Wait, let's see. So Pinterest right here. So I'm gonna click on Pinterest, and now I need to create a Pinterest pin. Okay, so we need to use this pin. So we need to download this and put this inside of a Pinterest post, and then put this link underneath it so that when people click on the image, so they click on the Pinterest pin, they will be directed to this page, and they need to click on verify here to watch the full video. Then they need to do some type of offer complete it, and then they get to watch the video. And now here are my problems with this method. First of all, I do believe that you can get traffic with this because there are enough people interested in these type of things. I mean, look at the video. The video has 6.7 million views, so there are definitely people interested in it. But I do not like this method because first of all, right here, like, I mean, look at this. Who is going to, for example here, start your boxer short trial? So, I mean, let's just click on it and let's see what it's about. On that ass. That's nice. So this is a boxer short, so this is in Dutch because that's where I live. I live in Holland, but you basically need to try this 2 times for free, and then when they do this, they will get to watch the video. But here's my problem with this. In the same time that they are filling in this offer, they could have watched a full video. I'm going to be honest, the guy in the video basically said this. So let's say 1,000 people will watch your video pin. Then 500 will be interested in that and click on it, which is not true. A 50% click-through rate is really high and you're not going to get it. Then he also said that 250 of those 500 will be, you know, thinking, all right, let's complete this and watch the video, which is also not true because they click on this, verify here, they just think that they need to fill in a simple captcha, but they don't. They need to click right here on this link and fill in this. I'm gonna tell you right now, as soon as they click on this, land on another website, they're going to think, what is this? And they're going to click off. As well, if you are doing these type of things, you are going to get reported on Pinterest. People are not going to appreciate that you do this and they will report you. So even if you manage to make money, all of it could just go away in a second because your account gets blocked. So he was talking about making $750 when 100 people see your pin. That's not possible. He's just full of crap. So what would I recommend you to do? If you really want, create a Pinterest account, then start uploading pins and then make money with affiliate marketing, drop shipping, maybe you are freelancing, you're an artist, whatever. But what I'm saying is build a real business. So like start affiliate marketing, drop shipping, drop servicing, freelancing, print on demand, start a YouTube channel, TikTok account, Instagram account, Pinterest account. I mean, the options are endless, but you need to make sure that you are building a real business or side hustle because that's the only way that you are going to make money online. And if you want to see my recommendations, you can check out the Digital Mastery cheat sheet down below. It's completely free, I'm not asking for anything, but I've just created it as a simple, helpful tool because these are the exact steps that I take when I build a business. And if you want to see me try to make money by playing games on my phone, then you can click the video right here. But for now, have a great day and I will see you in the next video.